I like making food in my native way. Sometimes I feel like testing that native, having that native taste in what I cook. So this is my steamed meat. We have beef, cow leg, and shaki here. Then here I have my egusi. I've already put water inside because I want it to soak and swell. I put water and then onion. Here is my crayfish. Here is my bitter leaf. Yeah. So here I have my smoked catfish. If you have not seen the video where I uploaded this catfish, please watch the video of how you make your catfish in your home and enjoy your catfish. So guys, and here I have my ogiri. My dialect will call it ogiri, but some people call it ogili. But whatever. This is, let's say, fermented locust bean. I don't know if it's locust bean. Is it locust bean? Sha fermented something something something. Yes, we use it for egusi. We also use it for bitter leaf soup. Oh, should I even change my mind and do bitter leaf soup? Guys, I cannot because my egusi is already inside. I've already put my egusi here. So I'm going to make this in my local way. Please stay along. Guys, this is Eva Family, returning subscriber. Thank you so much. If you're seeing us for the first time, this is Eva Family. Please do well to like, share, watch, subscribe. It means so much to us. That's why we are still existing. That's why YouTube have not given up on us, because of you guys that are watching and liking and subscribing and commenting. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed, please, we are waiting for you. Thank you. So watch me as I do this. And here I have my this oil, right? I don't know the name of this oil. I bought this palm oil. They put palm oil unrefined. I've used it before and it's good. It came out well. But when I bought it, I thought I was buying what is it called? I thought I was buying banga. You know that banga now. But that is that. So this is what I have. So I'm going to start cooking now. Don't stir it so that you have that lumps that you desire. Okay. Okay, guys. Can you see the lumps? See the way it's looking. Now adding water for cooking and then the stock, the meat stock. Now we can add the ingredients. So I'm adding chili pepper, black pepper, my Maggi, and salt to taste. So here I have my cocoyam for thickening. I'll put that when it's time. Oh, wait. Oh. So we put our cocoyam. You can also use yam for thickening, yam flour. So we'll be eating this with pando. Our soup is ready. This is real native soup. Can you see the catfish? If you watched till now, thank you so much. Can you please guess the states in Nigeria? Yeah, guess the state correctly in the comment section. Which state do you think cooks this type of soup? Guys, I need to taste this food. We do it like this. If you don't do it like this, you don't know how to do it. Yes, you do it like this, and then you go here. Ooh. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.